In this video, we will install the toe link rack and rear tie rods. Start by sliding the toe link rack under the solid transmission mount and down onto the subframe. Fasten it with the bolts and washers from the L23L baggy. Use a 19mm socket to torque the bolts to 81 foot-pounds. Next, apply thread lock and then install the tie rod that came in your kit. Most wrenches aren't thin enough to tighten the tie rod, so we use a pipe wrench instead. Remove the jam nut from the tie rod before installing the rubber boot from the L23L baggy. Slide the boot on until it flares out around the end of the tie rod. Install your donor tie rod end or a new Cobalt front tie rod end. Go approximately 20 full turns. The final adjustment will be made later during alignment. Remove the nut and push the tie rod into the knuckle. To tighten the nut, you'll need an 18 or 19mm socket, depending on the supplier of the tie rod. Torque it to 50 foot-pounds. Next, use a 15mm socket to torque the bearing hub bolts to 85 foot-pounds. Use an 18mm socket to torque the strut nuts to 89 foot-pounds. Repeat the steps to install the rod ends on the other side of the car.